Tired of guessing which panliner fits your needs? The online panliner selector tool makes it simple. Navigate to www.pangards.com. From the top menu, choose Online Tools and Resources, and from the drop-down menu, select Panliner Selector Tool. Simply select your pan size and shape, then the depth of the pan, or volume if it is a round or oval pan, and in seconds, you'll see the recommended liners for your kitchen. The corresponding item number, model, and size appears on the bottom of the page. If you click on the item number, it takes you to the product information page with all of the corresponding specs and description. Compare options, check features, and get the perfect fit. No more wasted time or mismatched liners. Find your perfect pan liner today, fast, easy, and hassle-free. Try it now at pangards.com. Pangards, first in food service innovations.